Hello everybody, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I will show how to turn on vanish mode on Facebook Messenger. So first of all, update your Facebook Messenger. So I will show two-way turn on vanish mode on Facebook Messenger. So let's see how to do that. So don't skip this video, watch full video and please subscribe this channel. So first of all, go to your Facebook Messenger. Here you can see your Facebook Messenger and log in your Facebook Messenger. And this time I will show fast way turn on vanish mode on Facebook Messenger. So let's see how to do that. And then open it. And then here you can see right top corner this option. Click here. And then scroll down. Here you can see vanish mode. This time vanish mode off. But I need to vanish mode turn on. So let's see how to do that. So vanish mode, click here. Here you can see vanish mode. This time vanish mode turn off, but you need to turn on. Seen messages disappear when you close the chat. And then click here this option. And in this way you can easily turn on vanish mode on Facebook Messenger. Go back. Go back. And then type anything. And if you want to turn off vanish mode, here you can see turn off vanish mode. Click here. And this time I will show second way turn on vanish mode on Facebook Messenger. So let's see how to do that. So scroll down, tap on please. Here you can see hold to turn on vanish mode, release to turn on vanish mode. And in this way you can easily turn on or enable vanish mode on Facebook Messenger. And if you want to turn off your vanish mode on Facebook Messenger, so let's see. So scroll down, tap on please, hold to turn off vanish mode and release to turn off vanish mode. And in this way you can easily turn on or turn off vanish mode on your Facebook Messenger. So thank you very much and please subscribe this channel.